Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a tropical delight with our mango and banana smoothie. This smoothie is not just a treat for your taste buds. It's packed with incredible health benefits that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and ready to conquer the day. So, if you're ready to whip up something delicious and nutritious, let's jump right in and explore the fantastic ingredients we'll be using. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at our fabulous ingredients. First up is the mango. This tropical beauty is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Mangoes are loaded with vitamin C, which helps strengthen your immune system and fight off illnesses. They're also packed with beta-carotene, an antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A, essential for healthy vision and glowing skin. Speaking of skin, mangoes have natural enzymes that can help in removing dead skin cells, promoting brighter and more radiant skin. So you're not just treating your taste buds, you're giving your skin a boost too. Next, we have our beloved banana. Bananas are one of the most popular fruits around, and it's easy to see why. They're not only sweet and creamy, but they're also rich in potassium. This essential mineral helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. Bananas also provide dietary fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Plus, they have a natural sweetness that balances the flavors in our smoothie perfectly. They can also improve your mood thanks to vitamin B6, which helps in the production of serotonin, the happy hormone. Now let's talk about yogurt. Yogurt is a fantastic addition to our smoothie because it's packed with probiotics, those good bacteria that promote a healthy gut. A healthy gut is key to digestion and can even improve the appearance of your skin. What better way to support your wellness than by including some tasty probiotics? Finally, we have milk. Whether you use dairy milk or a plant-based alternative like almond or oat milk, this ingredient adds creaminess to our smoothie. Milk is rich in calcium for strong bones and is a great source of protein, which is vital for muscle repair. Calcium also helps in keeping your skin healthy and glowing. All right, smoothie fans, let's get these delicious ingredients prepped for blending. First, we'll start with our mango. Give it a good rinse to remove any residues. Now, let's slice it open. Mangoes can be a bit tricky, so be careful as you cut around the pit. Look at that gorgeous orange flesh. Scoop it out and cut it into smaller pieces. This will help our blender do its job smoothly. Now it's time for the banana. Peel it open to reveal that creamy goodness inside. Next, slice it into small pieces. Remember, the smaller the pieces, the easier they'll be to blend. Those little nuggets of banana goodness will add sweetness and creaminess to our smoothie. Now that our mango and banana are prepped, let's grab our yogurt. We'll measure out about half a cup. The yogurt will not only add creaminess, but also provide vital probiotics to keep our gut happy. Lastly, let's get 1 cup of milk. This can be regular dairy milk or any dairy-free alternative you love. The choice is yours. Now it's time to blend this delicious concoction. I'm using this fantastic portable blender with a 500 milliliter capacity. It's perfect for single servings and incredibly convenient for those busy mornings or when you're on the go. What's great about this portable blender is that it's compact and easy to clean, making it ideal for any lifestyle. Whether you're at home or traveling, this blender can easily fit into your routine. Plus, you can blend anywhere, which means you can enjoy your smoothies wherever your adventures take you. All right, let's bring it all together. First, we'll toss our mango into the blender. It's looking so vibrant. Next, in go the banana slices. Smoothie perfection in the making. Now let's add our yogurt and pour in the milk. We're talking about a creamy, dreamy texture. Now, let's secure the lid tightly. Safety first. We don't want any smoothie mishaps today. Let's blend this on high for about 30 to 60 seconds, watching this beautiful mix of fruits come together into a delicious smoothie. If it gets stuck, just give it a gentle shake. And remember, a well-blended smoothie is a happy smoothie. And here we are. Let's pour our delicious smoothie into a glass. Look at that lovely creamy texture. If you want, add a little garnish. Maybe a slice of banana on the rim of the glass or a tiny dollop of yogurt on top. Now let's talk about the incredible benefits of drinking this smoothie regularly. This mango and banana smoothie supports your weight management journey beautifully. The high fiber from the banana encourages feelings of fullness, making it easier to avoid those mid-afternoon cravings. When you start your day with something satisfying like this smoothie, you'll find it easier to resist snacking on less healthy options later on. And let's not forget the skin benefits. The vitamin C in mangoes and bananas promotes collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. That's right. While you're enjoying your smoothie, you're actively nurturing your skin from the inside out. The probiotics in the yogurt also positively affect skin health. They help balance gut bacteria, which can influence various skin conditions, such as acne. A healthy gut can lead to clearer skin, making this smoothie a double treat for your complexion. Now, let's pour in 1 cup of milk. This could be dairy or a plant-based alternative like almond or oat milk. Milk adds a lovely creaminess to our smoothie and is a great source of calcium for strong bones and teeth, as well as protein, which is vital for muscle repair and growth. We can also include some yogurt to enhance creaminess and introduce probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial for gut health and digestion, promoting a healthy microbiome that can ease bloating and discomfort. As we blend, it's important to mention that this smoothie not only supports your health, but also helps maintain weight loss. The fiber from both the banana and dragon fruit keeps you feeling full for longer, reducing cravings and the need to snack on less healthy options. Its low-calorie profile makes it a smart choice for anyone looking to maintain their body weight while also enjoying tasty foods. Additionally, the vitamins and antioxidants from our ingredients promote healthy, glowing skin. Vitamins C and A, abundant in bananas and dragon fruit, can help improve skin texture and elasticity, making your skin appear smoother and more radiant over time. Thank you so much for joining me today to whip up this fabulous mango and banana smoothie. If you're excited to try this recipe, please hit that thumbs up button. Your likes help us create more tasty content for you. We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments on how your smoothie turned out. Did you add any fun variations? And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can join in on the smoothie fun too. If you haven't done so yet, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, health tips, and all things smoothies. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, keep blending and stay fabulous. Cheers.